What's up guys, and welcome to this new episode. So if you need to order a Cash App card that's absolutely free, of course, you've landed on the right video. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to order and activate your Cash App card for free. Okay, so without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. So what is actually the Cash App card? The Cash App card is a free customizable debit card that you can use for any transaction where Visa debit payments are actually accepted. Okay, so the card comes at no hidden cost and it is absolutely free to get. Okay, as you can see, it works anywhere Visa is accepted. So whether it's at a merchant, an online shop, or even at an ATM, it should be able to give you the funds you need. Okay, and plus it comes with a couple of built-in features that will unlock even more benefits for your Cash App account. Okay, such as benefits such as direct deposit, or even getting eligible for Cash App borrow, or even Cash App pay over time. These are just a few features that you get as a couple of benefits with having a Cash App card. Okay, so what about ordering the Cash App card itself? Okay, it is very easy to order a Cash App card as it is completely free. Okay, and Cash App makes this even very easier. So what you have to do is just to click on this card icon on the banking just down below there. Okay, the screen has become dark because of some security reasons. Okay, this is automatically set by Cash App and not by me. Okay, so when you click on this card tab, you see a few steps that you need to take to order your Cash App card. Okay, you have to verify your address, of course, and then you follow the prompts to get your Cash App card in your mail. Okay, but before even receiving your Cash App card in your mail, you will be receiving it first as a digital card that you'll be able to use online anywhere Visa debit payments are accepted. Okay, so while waiting for your physical Cash App card in the mail, you will also get access to the card virtually. Okay, that you can use it, or you can use it for payment wherever Visa debit payments are accepted. All right, and before even thinking of using your card, you need to activate it. Okay, and you can see you still activate it through this card tab right here. Okay, so after receiving your card, you have to activate it through this card tab at the bottom of your Cash App home screen right here. Okay, so everything that has to do with your Cash App card is actually being handled in this card tab. Okay, anytime I switch to it, the screen comes dark. Don't worry, that won't be the case in your position because you will actually be accessing it from your own phone. Okay, so just do as I said and you'll be able to get your Cash App card ordered, or your Cash App card delivered to you within 7 business days. Okay, so that's the limit for the time that it takes to receive your Cash App card in the mail. And don't forget that the ordering of this card is typically free of cost. Okay, so we've come to the end of our video. If you actually found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell icon not to miss any upcoming up. Okay, so I catch you in the next episode.